I'm Laura and this is Zoe. She's 5 months old. She's my first baby. And I thought I was going to be really nervous about breastfeeding in public. I was really apprehensive about it. But everywhere we've gone in the city, everyone's been so friendly. Mums give you a lovely little encouraging smile. And the staff everywhere we've gone have been so nice. They bring you a glass of water, they carry your drink over. They're just brilliant.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, this is Emily. One thing that I like about breastfeeding is I never need to remember to take anything out with me.
It's Jamie and this is Jasmine. We have been breastfeeding for nearly 2 years. The thing I like about breastfeeding is spending that time together, gazing into each other's eyes and touching each other's noses and, laughing. So, breastfeed.